Hey guys, Greg with Planet Green Zen here, and thank you for tuning in. Now, today's video is going to be very quick. What I wanted to do is just show you guys the autoresponder feature and GetResponse. So let's go ahead and dive into it. Alright, so we're just going to go to our main menu, go to autoresponders. And as you guys can see, I have a ton of autoresponders set up. Now, this is just for one specific campaign. And so over here, these are my campaigns. You see, I can either do a list or have it to where it looks like a calendar. Actually, it is a calendar, and you can actually see your different newsletters or correspondence to see when they're going out, or if you have any, like, hey, I don't have any going out for a couple of weeks, let me go ahead and try to get some newsletters. But you can see it that way as well. And again, you can see if I do all lists and apply that, you'll be able to see all the messages I have for every list, in case you ever want to dive deep or maybe duplicate a list or see what's working. So yeah, as you can see, I have a lot of lists, and it goes on multiple pages. Let's just go here. I'm just going to do like 100 pages just so you guys can get a good feel. I'm not going to go through every single autoresponder, but just want to give you guys a little snippet of this here. But as you guys can see, yeah, I still have a couple of pages, but yeah, these are a lot of different autoresponders. Woo! Let's go back to the top. So what I'll do is just kind of focus on my most recent campaign. Is actually just GetResponse affiliate offer. So as you guys can see, you set your cycle day is pretty much the day that the letter will go out. So let's say if you have a squeeze page and someone opts into that squeeze page with this setting, you either will have it go right away or it may be delayed a couple days. So right here, 0 is pretty much send immediately any day of the week. You see that text here that I'm kind of hovering over, which means this will go out immediately after the person opts into your newsletter. And then as you can see, cycle day number 1, this goes out a day after the first one did, so on and so on. 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days after day number 6, day number 7. Think about it this way: the days. Number 9 is not saying it's going to go out 11 days after the first one, but I mean technically it is. So it's in chronological order. So hey, this will go out day 11, day 13. As you can see, I skipped a couple of days to go out day 15, day 17, day 19. So it's as you can see, people are starting to come through this funnel. This one has 68 delivered, 65, 65, 64. So pretty much will deliver your entire list, unless people start to opt out. But as you see that if you see the numbers are getting smaller and smaller, that doesn't mean that people are opting out. It just means that that's how many people made it through that specific page. And based on your setting, it may take a while for the entire list of people to get through your funnel. So this one, I just did like a 200 click thing through a solo ads. If you guys don't know what that is, I can cover that later. If you want, let me know. But did some solo ads. So I got pretty much 68 people to opt in out of this click campaign that I did. So then now this is going through everybody, and it's, out here you can see maybe 3 people may have opted out because this one has 60, this one has 65, 65, you see 64. So some people are starting to opt out again, which is normal. So don't get discouraged, guys. If people start to opt out of your list, it's just part of the game, part of the hustle, part of the grind. Just keep going. That's all you need to do, and worry about it. But as you can see, so people are starting to make it through. So 55 of this 63 people made it through this. So when I come back later, it'll be probably 63 in a couple of days, and you see 2, 1 person has made it all the way through the entire funnel. So now all these will catch up to these numbers here, and hopefully that made sense to you guys. If not, I can definitely explain a little better. You see the open rate, click rate. You can see a 22% open rate, which is actually really good. 8% click rate, 10%, 11%, 100%, because there's only one person that actually made it to this well. Like, wow, 100% click rate. You guys would be like, how do you do that? But yeah, so, and then also when you get to the stage, it's very simple. You just click here, create autoresponder, and then it will load to the next page. And then this is where you can see on day 30 or 40, you just name it, you attach it to whichever list you want that you have built, and then you select the time, and with delay exactly, you can choose a message, either a click and drag message, and label all the days, and save and publish. This is very simple. This is a lot simpler than doing the email marketing, because these are just one-time messages. Just send it out, boom, and you're done. So then that's how you do that. So again, that's all I wanted to show you guys today, was how to do a quick autoresponder in GetResponse. So again, if you have a message you want to send out ASAP, you just come do an autoresponder, boom, set it. You can send it out again immediately or have it delayed. It's up to you to do that. But again, if you guys have any other questions, I do have some links in the description regarding it. So again, if you guys do sign up for GetResponse, you do get a 30-day free trial. If you sign up through my link, I do have that in the description below. Again, it is my affiliate link. But yeah, it's a great, again, you try it out for 30 days free, no credit card, no BS. And if you don't like it, you just stop using it. Again, you can actually build up to 1,000 contacts. So that's awesome for free, which is insane. I don't know how they do this, but so again, if you guys have any other questions regarding GetResponse, I try to do at least one, maybe like affiliate type video for something that I like or believe in that I'm using outside of my inspirational educational videos. If you guys have been to my channel, you know that I love to inspire the world mentally, physically, spiritually, financially, and socially, because I want everybody to just live an abundant life. But again, I do affiliate videos as well outside of that. But yeah, if you guys have any other questions, again, just let me know in the comments below. Share this out with people who may want to see this. If they're thinking about getting GetResponse, hit the bell notification so you're notified when new videos are out. And I will talk to you guys soon. Greg Planet Green Zen signing off.